part 2, guys. And Layla is gonna open her. Layla's gonna open her mint chip ice cream.
Yep. And you know that it's ice cream because it comes with a little cone.
Okay. So first, yeah, she's gonna open it.
Oh, look, it's so cute. The front's so cute. It's like a bunny.
Okay, go. And then she's gonna put some of this anti-stick on her hand. Open it.
It's so hard to open.
Oh, it's okay. Just leave it. And then put them on your hand, like lotion, and then just rub it on your hands.
That.
And then rub it.
Then can I touch it right now?
And then you could touch. You sure you don't want to put more? Here, just put a little bit more.
You put them out.
Okay, now rub it like water.
Oh no, I got on its hand.
It's okay.
What is that? Slime.
And then go. You can touch it now.
I'll let you touch it after, okay?
Oh wait! Don't mess it up yet. Oh, you already messed it up, but it's okay. Put the cone.
Put the ice cream.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Please, can you please open it?
You just put it in like a real cone, like an ice cream.
Oh, wow. Okay, now mix it. You can dig it out. You can just dig it out again.
What is this?
Just put it on the side right here.
Layla, is this shark? It looks like
There you go. And just take everything out. Take it out.
Can I put it on the table?
Yeah. Oh, almost there. Layla, show him the stretch. How it
Did you take a
go?
picture
Yeah, you already did that.
This is
of all
the
of them
stretch.
together, like put together?
Yes.
With the elote on top and everything?
Guys, look
But I
at the
did open my box,
stretch.
This, and I make sure everything was showing.
We're showing them we just took a picture of all of them, and then we're just gonna prepare them and mix them.
Can I see
We're
that?
not just gonna take a picture.
Yeah, but you first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I love it. It's like cloud slime.
So she has cloud slime.
Wait, let me put it. Let me put the ice cream.
So that's hers. And if it came with a little activator.
There.
And then okay.
Guys, do you want ice cream?
Mom, I don't know how to do this.
I mean ice cream.
Okay,
I
now
don't know how to do
scoot
this.
over. Scoot over.
Oh no.
Okay, put it in the container. You're done. Okay,
Scoop,
okay.
scoop,
Okay.
scoop.
Okay.
Hold on. Layla, scoot over. And take your stuff. Sorry.
Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this one. The elote.
Preparada.
No, wait, don't get Okay, so I'm gonna take this off first. Oh wow. I'm gonna try not to. It's it even has texture. Feel it?
You're itching me. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could see, but oh, sorry.
Here you go. Feel it.
I don't know if you guys. Oh, you guys hear it too. Look.
No, but I have to mix it.
Oh my god, it actually smells like It smells like corn.
It's going?
It smells like popcorn.
Oh, like popcorn.
Okay, so you're gonna flatten it so I can put the elote. So I don't know. I have no clue what to do first, but I'm guessing it's the corn, right?
Can I get it out again?
Mom, do you put the corn first and then this?
So guys, oh, you shouldn't. Here, just put it like this.
Oh, it's just like white.
So she put the corn. The corn's very detailed.
Oh, here.
There.
Okay, this
And
is
then-
I'm guessing the mayonnaise.
So she put the corn, and then she's gonna put the mayonnaise, which is a little sticky, but it's supposed to be
I
sticky.
think I'm gonna put the anti thing.
Yeah, she's gonna put a little bit.
If I can
of
open it. Yeah, I can. Oh crap. How much do I
Put a
put?
lot.
Go record it.
It's all I need. I just have the tips.
What she's gonna do. It's pretty cool.
Look.
She's
Guys,
gonna,
I'm gonna be putting the mochi.
oh,
Okay, guys.
You
now-
love it.
Okay, now I'm gonna drip.
oh, and then she's gonna drip it, guys.
I'm gonna try to drip it. If it comes out more.
Mommy, I
Oh.
I know what you're doing. So you put the mochi in the side and then you make the
Should I do one more drip or no?
Yeah.
and then you were trying to
Put it in This one's thicker. Go around. Okay, so. Oh.
So now that she is done with the little mayo, look how cute, guys.
Mom. Okay, now that I know with that. Excuse me, Layla.
I think you said it.
Okay, now I'm going to add the little sprinkles that stick to the mayonnaise.
The queso and the chili.
Get closer. 'cause-
No, let her do a better review. Me, doesn't matter. Just do whatever you want to do.
Okay. Okay, now
she's gonna
it's
put
hard
the
to
cheese.
Wait,
open.
what is this?
It's like cheese
It's
red
mayo.
stuff. Okay, this might get a little messy, but it's okay. Oh wow. It just comes out. Oh wow, it's making a mess, a little mess. Oh. Just
Is
gonna
it
spread
cold?
it.
Evan, what is it called?
Oh, sorry. Okay, just gonna spread it a little bit more. Okay, now did I mix it?
Yes, mix it.
No, pay attention to her, whatever she wants you to do. I don't know, Kayla, is she ready to mix it or no?
Oh, wait, it's like blurry.
Here, Mom, just squish it like this.
Okay, now she's gonna mix it.
Yeah, but my mom's gonna want to squish it first. It's like clay.
Ooh, no.
Because you didn't put the anti-stick thingy.
Here.
Oh, put it on your hands, no?
Yeah, this part.
Elena already did.
Okay.
Here, get it.
Okay, now she's gonna push it down right in the middle.
Oh, wow.
Take your time, Elena. Have fun with it.
It's so like clay texture.
Oh, so tú estás haciendo
Take it out,
uno,
Mama?
y tú estás así, ella va a hacer uno y tú vas a hacer otro.
Yeah, like she's gonna
I'm
do
gonna
this
do
one.
Oh, okay, that's fair.
And then she's gonna do like.
Either majonera, who cares? You have fun with it.
Hey, look.
Okay.
She wants to do this one like so poke.
Wait,
Oh, God. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
Oh, so this is when she took it out. Oh my god, it's actually a really nice texture.
That's sticky. That's like,
You okay?
you could do better slime.
Yeah, guys, it's a little sticky, but it's okay.
Why did you put that in your hand, though?
Mom, she doesn't put the activator, and plus, through shipping, it's hot.
Okay, let me show you guys. Put it
Slime melts.
Put it up, Elon. Well, it's hard to take out of the container, but it's okay.
Just
Oh crap! Not the prettiest slime show, but.
Okay, let's hear the crunch.
It really even crunches. Okay. Well, this was the color before. Here, wait, I'll
Oh
show you
my
guys.
goodness.
Don't
That
put slime in
is
your hair.
definitely sticky. But then you gotta put like activator.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the before and after.
activator.
Look at the colors.
That's when you like don't mix it, and then
And
that's
that's
when you
after
mix
you
it.
mix it. Okay, now we're gonna put the
She's gonna put some activator, cause
like
just a little sticky.
mayonnaise. We still have a little mayonnaise, but it's okay. We'll put the mayonnaise on again later.
Hey, look what I'm doing. Hey, look. Hey, look.
Okay, so this is the spray. Mine's
I'm
purple.
doing this to roll it.
The spray. I love the spray. I love the color. Okay, now we're gonna spray it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're
Okay, why is not anything coming out?
Oh, crap.
Oh crap! I think I squirted that too. Okay, let me see if that's good.
So that's what we're putting it together. You have to stop it.
I know.
I don't even like it.
Did it get more better?
It's not sticky anymore.
See?
Yeah, it's way more better.
Oh my god, the
I'm gonna put
activator
one-
really
I
works.
think I'm gonna put like one more spray. Two. Okay, and then that's it. And here's my slime. And you put it in a full slime store for you guys. Well, if I could do it. Because I don't know how to do it. Because I only had cloud slime like one time.
Okay.
Like, you
Stretch
could
it
try
through.
doing a crunch here.
Oh my god, stuck.
Are you having fun with it?
Yes. Okay. Now it's your turn. Okay. There you go. I hope you guys love my slime. Oh, sorry. Slime tutorial. So I'm done. I'm done.
So now I'm gonna open the
Can I open it?
guac dip.
Mama.
Can I open it?
No.
For you?
No.
Me too.
Here, hold it. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. The guac dip. Okay.
It's almost the same color as mine.
Okay.
I didn't even think of offering.
So the guac dip is like almost like a cloud. So I'll put it together for you guys.
Pour it out.
I'm gonna put the chips.
Ooh. Can I feel it?
That is so cute.
And I'm gonna put the little seasonings on top.
Whoa.
So then that's what the little guac dip looks like. It's super cute. Mom,
Mom, come over here.
hey. So then I'm gonna put some of the anti-stick serum in my hands. Quite a few. That's it. I'm just gonna take these out.
It does like the plastic. Aren't they plastic?
I'm gonna take it all out. Oh god, it smells good.
It's my
Oh, that smells so good.
Let me see the little chips.
I bet it does.
Oh, these are real, huh? Like they're plastic. It's not like the elote that you could dissolve.
So this is like cloud slime. Oh my god, it's so good. This
Wait.
is such good slime.
And then these, she could put them on. What is this supposed to be? Like the tomato,
It's just
Like
like,
the
little
chili.
sprinkles.
like el chile, tomato. ¿Qué más?
Cebolla, just kidding.
Cebolla.
And
¿Qué más?
avocado.
Avocado.
Mm.
And it's so soft.
A ver. Ooh, I love the texture of this one. El
No, vamos, go.
elote is tiene como bolitas.
Okay, mom. Because it's like football. Okay, go like this, mom. Go like this, and then go down.
A ver. Ooh.
Go down?
Mom, keep shaking me.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it in a little slime swirl for you guys.
Hey, Leila's is perfect too. I think it's the green.
Hold on, I'm gonna do it above the camera.
Wait, Kaylin?
Oy, luego, it smells so good.
Oh my goodness. Put it up a little bit more.
It smells like like when you get out of the shower.
I know. Smells so good.
And put it in there. Oh my goodness.
Did that be perfect? Because I was not perfect at all.
I'm gonna put the little chips back in. Then I'm gonna put the rest of these little thingies on it. And look how cute.
And that's it.
So this slime is just very soft. Very, very soft.
Mom, look what I'm doing for the lolly pen.
Okay, that I like that.
For the activator.
So this one's just very soft.
The activator on it. I'm gonna put the activator. Okay, how much should I put?
Just put like 4 sprays.
No, put 2 sprays because usually not.
Two?
No, if there's not that sticky then.
I cannot
Just
really.
keep spraying.
1, 2.
Just keep spraying.
No, just keep spraying until it actually comes out. Keep spraying. It just takes it a while.
Yeah.
Let me see.
It takes forever to activate, that's why.
You have to push all the way down here.
How much spray did you put? How much spray did you put?
Just one.
Oh.
Just put one.
Whoa, that was a lot.
And then make the nacho. Can you close it, please?
So when you add the activator really works, and the anti-stick really works as well.
Yeah, because it doesn't stick to your hands.
Like at all.
Yeah. Mommy, you should buy me more of these. These are really safe for me. It's not your business. Just put that all over there.
And if it's right back in the container, which that is like a plus.
Yeah, because it's not like
Yeah. So if it's right in the container, the guacamole, if it's right back in the container, and you could just throw the bag away.
No, keep it.
The next one we're gonna do is the last one of the Fiesta Slime Bundle.
Oh crap.
It is the mangoneada one.
Oh yeah, I love the barrel cup. It's so cute. Okay.
She's gonna open
Let's first see
it.
the texture. It's cloud. Yes.
So sorry.
Is it just like yours?
Can I touch it?
No.
So the cloud. This
mine's the
is
same
like a cloud slime,
Feel it.
and it's very like it feels like.
Okay.
Feel it.
Like
No,
this,
no,
this slime feels soft, and it feels like stuff is gonna stick to your hands, but like it
It's
doesn't.
not actually. It's like really good. I love the orange. It's so bright.
Oh my god, did it smell? Oh my god, it smells like.
Okay,
It smells like
so this is like the extra stuff that comes with it, that goes with it.
That's
It
like
even
the
has the
chili.
little stuff.
Yeah, I don't know if you
Inside.
see. It's like dark.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there, what do you call it?
And then you just spray it like that. You just go
Let
around.
her show one of the white things. Like concentrate the camera.
Okay, Kaylin, put it on my side.
Wait, let me turn it. Wait, turn. So it comes with the little jelly cubes inside.
It's a little difficult to take out.
The little chamoys. Ooh, look. What are those chunks supposed to be in a mangoneada? Oh, like the mangoes.
Mm-hmm.
Almost done. That's a lot of chile.
And I don't know if you guys could see, but it almost comes with like little sparkles.
Oh, yeah.
It comes with like little sparkles.
You can't really see them. Here, let me grab some. See my goodness. Oh, if I could grab it.
Nina, take your time. Some YouTube videos are like 30 minutes.
An hour, actually.
I know, leave it. Let everybody like enjoy them.
Okay, I think you can see it now. Well,
You could see the glitter in it.
yeah, kind of.
I need more activator.
I love these little
Then mix it at your own time, Elena.
cuties.
Hey, let's just
Let's just
enjoy the texture.
like it's just orange, and the red is like
Popping.
oh,
Oh, she's doing a
and the
podcast.
red is like very vibrant, like really red. Like it's
love
not
it.
like it's not
Compared
pink.
to the yellow,
yeah.
very red.
Love the color.
And it's not like pink, like you know when you had like food coloring show slime and turns pink. No, this is like red.
Full on red. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Oh wow, that.
You're cool.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
There, Kaylin. Oh,
Even like the mango part even looks like mango.
oh, it's not sticky.
And it looks like mango too.
Ooh, I wanna do that all.
I just love my slime so much.
Okay, we're gonna take it down till we see red. Okay, there we go. Oh wow, that's beautiful.
Kayla, what shape did I make?
Oh wow,
And it comes out really easily, this one.
What shape did I make?
A diamond.
okay, we're gonna try to make it. We're gonna try to make it marble. There you go.
Oh my. It's marble.
It's like marble if you don't mix
This
it.
is a half mixed.
It's like
I'm gonna
marble
spread
if
it. Can I
it's
spread
half
it?
mixed. Sure. It's like butter slime almost. Just that.
Nail these.
Satisfying. Oh wow, it has crunch. It's so soft. Is this our last slime? Oh no. Okay, but this is so soft. I
so
like
much
love
activated.
it. Well, yeah. That's
So we hope you guys, come here, Layla. We hope you guys enjoyed our little unboxing.
oh, yeah, and you still could see them. They're still red.
The little jelly cubes.
Yeah.
I still have my out.
Oh, I think it closed it.
Hold on, I need to open this.
I need a.
So we hope you guys enjoyed our little slime reviewing video from Squishy Bunny Slime. This is all their little socials. Their card is even really cute.
Instagram and everything.
And then this is the back. This is
Okay.
like the slime care guide to like if we ever have any trouble with our slimes, like we could look back at this and it'll tell us like what to do. So yeah.
Okay, and this is like, I'm going to quickly do a stretch. This is so stretchy. Watch, guys. It has a little hole, but after all, it's a pretty good slime. I love the slime. Love
So-
the
I'm
gonna put
texture.
more on
Love what they give us.
So we hope you guys enjoyed our little video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.